Yes, yes.
चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं डिस्कशन. चलिए स्टार्ट कीजिए अल्फाबेटिकल वाइज.
Question number 1A. Energy is very important as without energy, the electrical appliances such as fan, washing machines, heater, coolers, etc. would not work. Second, energy is required to move the turbines for electricity produced by hydroelectric power plants. Third, energy is required for the functioning of our body. Fourth, energy is required to set a satellite in its orbit. Fifth, energy is required for performing the daily life activities such as walking, writing, cleaning, etc.
Energy is required to speak the word energy, है ना? Everything energy is required. चलिए second.
The demand for energy is increasing.
और एक और लड़का क्या रही है? जो है भाई. चलो बोलो.
The demand for energy is increasing constantly. Reasons: first, rise in population; second, rise in economic development; third, industrialization; fourth, development in technology; fifth, rise in transportation.
Next. Next.
Sun is the biggest natural source of energy to us. Most of the energies consumed by us are due to the energy of sun. First is sun provides solar energy which is used to generate electricity from photovoltaic cells. Second is due to heat energy of sun, the wind blows causing the windmills to work and generate electricity. Third, due to heat energy of sun, clouds are formed. Due to rains, rivers, and other water bodies produce hydroelectricity. Fourth is the heat energy of the sun is stored in the trees and plants which help them to grow well. The wood that we burn also stores the solar energy.
Next.
D.
Or some statistics, facts and figures.
Yes, I'm telling.
कुछ numeric numbers, some numbers.
Sir, sir, a second. Can I, sir, answer another question, sir? I'm right now searching of it. Searching of the answer.
सी में स्टैटिस्टिक्स में थोड़ा और नंबर दीजिए. आपने बोला वो एक्चुअली फाइन, दैट इज आल्सो स्टैटिस्टिक, बट दैट इज मोर ऑफ अ जनरल थिंग. यू आर गेटिंग ना? स्टैटिस्टिक इज लिटिल मोर स्पेसिफिक. यू आर गेटिंग? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Like for example, defense uses the most of the budget of a country goes for defense. This is one statement. This is a little general. 72.8% of the budget of a country goes for defense. It's more specific. You're getting yes or no?
Sir, ये हो सकता है क्या? The statistic says.
ठीक है, फाइन. आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait a minute.
Sir, question D.
हाँ, सुनाई दे रहा है आप लोगों को? हम्म?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So, hmm, understood, na? 72.8%. And so, point is, statistics means uh, more specific. चलिए बोलिए.
Sir, question D. There are multiples and multiples of energy sources that can be derived from the sun. Sir, some of them are light energy, heat energy, tidal, wind, biogas, renewable energy, non-renewable energies. So hydrostatic energy is not a derived energy sun, from sun. So because hydrostatic energy is derived from water, in big dams there are different ways of derivating energy from water by advanced machineries. So second, coal uh, is a is can be said it is derived from sun, as because it is an indirect source of derived energy from sun.
एक एक करके. ठीक है. Hydroelectric energy is not derived from sun.
Yes, sir.
Uh, sun has contribution. Okay. I had said earlier also two reasons. What are the two reasons? Can someone tell?
So first is that water evaporates and make clouds. Uh,
Hmm. Okay,
uh,
good. Rains, and that's how like there are many rivers which are actually seasonal rivers. So in that sense, the seasonal rivers also have potential to generate hydroelectric power, and the source is obviously the sun. Okay, go ahead. Second, the
Sir,
second
coal.
reason. No. Second reason, hydroelectric. Little controversial, but I had said it before. Okay, don't worry. Glacier melting actually. है ना? Hello,
Yes,
सुनाई दे रहा है?
yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, चलिए next. Coal.
Sir, coal is also is also yes, sir. Coal is also a derived energy from sun. Coal is a non-renewable source which is formed due to the dead plants and animals which get buried inside the earth under the great pressure and heat, the heat which comes from the sun.
Good. That's petroleum. Next.
Yes, so petroleum is
No, not
also
you, not
so
you, not you. Up. Next.
Sir, me.
Alphabetical order में चल रहे हैं ना?
Yes, sir. Petroleum. The marine plants and animals contribute in the formation of petroleum. These marine organisms die and get buried on the ocean floor. Over time, these organisms get covered by sand, silt, etc., and due to high pressure, they get converted into petroleum.
Hmm. Good. Next. Sorry.
wind is caused when the hot air moves up and makes the space empty. Then cool air moves to fill that empty space, and the air becomes hot by the heat of sun.
Hmm. Good. Next.
Sir, solar energy. Yes, sir. Solar energy is the direct form of sun energy. Solar energy means energy of sun, which is captured from the solar panels, which is further converted into light and heat energy by the various machineries and various machineries.
Good. Next.
So, solar batteries reserve the sun's energy for later consumption, that is charged by connected solar system. The stored electricity is used later when needed.
How it is stored? किस form में store होता है? Solar energy gets converted to which energy and gets stored?
So,
Then it gets
electrical energy.
इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में डायरेक्ट स्टोर, आपने बोला ना स्टोर्ड होता है, कैसे स्टोर कर? बैटरी में क्या रहता है बताओ? सिंपल, आपने एक सेल देखा है ना, एक बैटरी तो देखा है,
Yes, sir.
क्या रहता है उसमें, किस फॉर्म में स्टोर कर? अच्छा ये बताओ, बैटरी में रेगुलरली क्या भरा जाता है? पानी भरा जाता है ना, हम लोग बोलते हैं ना पानी भरो,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
तो एक्चुअली पानी क्या होता है?
सर वो डिस्टिल्ड वाटर होता है।
श्योर? श्योर?
Yes,
सर
sir.
वो डिस
Sir, distilled water ही होता है.
है,
Yes,
एसिड नहीं
sir.
होता है? हम्म, बैटरी का पानी डिस्टिल्ड वाटर होता है पक्का?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
एसिड नहीं होता है?
No, sir.
सर नो सर, नो सर, वो शायद आगे जाके फिर एसिड में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है
क्या
जब वो
बोलते
बैट
हैं?
सर उसमें तो फिर डिस्टिल वाटर ही भराता है, क्योंकि मैं देखा हूँ खुद उसको। तो
हम्म, इट्स अ मिक्सचर ऑफ सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड एंड वाटर, ठीक है, आयनाइज्ड रहता है वो।
यस सर।
ओके, तो माइल्ड बट एसिड रहता है, ठीक है, सिंपल है ना भाई। H प्लस आपको देखो, इलेक्ट्रॉन पॉइंट है, केमिकल एनर्जी में स्टोर करता है, अभी इसमें डिटेल्स में नहीं जाएंगे, ठीक है। सो केमिकल एनर्जी में स्टोर करता है, ठीक है, और फिर वो केमिकल एनर्जी इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट होता है। सेम थिंग वी कैन सी ना इन अ क्लॉक बैटरी, क्या है वो, कौन सा एनर्जी? केमिकल एनर्जी है, समझ में आ रहा है ये सब?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
यस सर।
चलो नेक्स्ट।
So, tidal energy. Tides are the periodic rise and fall of ocean water. Tides are caused by the gravitational pull of sun and moon.
नेक्स्ट।
Sir, gas plant are the plants which converts the gobar into gas using various reactors and machines, which is further used as a form of energy.
मैं एक थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग चीज बताऊं,
Yes,
चलो, बायोगैस पे।
The biogas plants use crops such as corn, waste materials such as manure and food waste to produce the methane gas, which helps to store and form energy. These plants are also dependent on sun as the crops and waste use sunlight for their living.
गुड, नेक्स्ट।
So, nuclear energy का नहीं लिखे हैं.
सो एक्चुअली इट इज नॉट दैट मच डिपेंडेंट। चलिए, वुड।
सर तो थोड़ा सा भी वो कैसे डिपेंडेंट है?
See, if I will tell few statements, if you are okay, okay, if you are not okay, not okay, no further discussion, okay. Due to sun, actually life is possible on earth. Due to life being possible on earth, we are able to study about nuclear energy. Chaliए, wood, and we are able to study and we are able to derive energy from nucleus. चलिए, समझ में आया? नहीं?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
चलिए,
sir.
wood।
So, wood. Trees perform photosynthesis in the presence of
गया, प्रेजेंस ऑफ में आपका वॉइस एब्सेंट हो गया। हेलो,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है। एनर्जी फ्रॉम इंटीरियर ऑफ अर्थ, एक्चुअली
Sir,
वुड का द व्हाट यू सेड वाज एक्चुअली फूड, fruits and wood is fine. Photosynthesis is what survives the plants also, right? Plants also need, okay? At the same time, the wood is a source of energy because wood is burnt and it releases energy, so it absorbs energy from the sun, and that's how the energy is released. Yes, tell energy from interior power.
yes, sir, the energy from interior of Earth. Sir, this energy is derived, or say it comes from the atmosphere or the upper mantle in the form of radiated light and heat. Sir, this is not related to. Sir, this is, I cannot say this is derived from sun. I
Mhm.
I have a doubt on this. Sir.
Okay, fine. So energy from interior of earth. Actually, interior of earth, you see petroleum also invention since it's in interior of earth only. So energy in the interior of earth is also coal and all. That is also again absorbed energy from the sun. You're getting, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get it.
Fine. So हम लोगों ने इस चैप्टर का क्वेश्चंस नहीं किया है ना अभी तक. Hello.
No,
Anyway, the
sir.
chapter
Yes,
is
sir.
not complete. We have not touched the potential energy till now. थोड़ा बहुत टच किया है लेकिन we have not dealt it with nice like अच्छे से डील मतलब पूरा अच्छे से पढ़ा नहीं completely. So what has to be done is, so we will end the class now, and आप लोग इस चैप्टर के क्वेश्चंस करो, ठीक है, जिसमें मतलब लाइक होता ना वो एक्सरसाइज होता है ना, तो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी का वो लास्ट में होगा, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी एंड कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी लास्ट में होगा, तो वो छोड़ करके सारा एक्सरसाइज कर लीजिए, ठीक है, एंड वी विल मीट देन ऑन व्हिच डे, सैटरडे ना, सैटरडे इज आवर क्लास,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, सो वी विल मीट ऑन सैटरडे, ओके,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
टाटा.